Hello, good morning. This is Agada Emmanuel Agbene once again. Thanks for logging into my podcast. Thanks for watching. And today we'll be dealing with Isaac Newton's laws of motion. Sir Isaac Newton is an English scientist, physician, so to say, and he propounded the laws of motion. He had three laws of motion, and quickly I'll run down these three laws of motion. Law 1, Law 2, Law 3. So the Law 1 states that an object continues to be in its state of rest or uniform motion unless it has been acted upon by an external force. Law 2 states that the force that has been exerted on a body, or a fixed mass of body, is directly proportional to the rate of velocity change, that is v minus u over t, that is dv per t, dv dt, okay, if all conditions happen to be constant, or if all conditions happen to be as it is. Then the third law of motion states that actions and reactions are equal and opposite. That is, actions and reactions are equal and opposite. That is, to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. There is equal and opposite reaction. So I'll just give 4 hints on the third law of motion, because that is the major point that most technological gurus utilize in shaping the world and the technological system of the world, and it's helping us in technology seriously. Okay, talking about hint 1, application of third law of Newton's motion. Hint 1, talking about rocket movement, and then how rocket starts. It applies, it uses the third law of Newton. Okay, then talking about number 2, talking about the recoil of a gun. When you shoot a gun, it has to be recoiled. There's a recoil velocity, and then there's an opposite action, that is opposite backward action, that tends to form a positive reaction, causing the bullets to be fired or propelled like a projectile. Okay, we have 3, the catapult shoot, or the catapult is it called boomerang now? The catapult shoot. Okay, when the catapult is launched, it is applying Newton's third law of motion, from a negative action to another positive forward reaction. Then finally, footwear. When you put on your footwear and you're moving, maybe be canvas or slippers, a pair of slippers, you move. The way you act your force backwards, is an action. So the reaction now is how you propel, how you move forward. So these reactions are what are equal but opposite. So you understand. So that is the Isaac laws of motion, 3 laws of motion. Thank you.